have some serious questions to ask you. Are the people who leave your showroom floor getting the proper follow-up that actually makes a sale happen? Are the people who take the time to call into your dealership getting the proper conversation, is that being logged someplace where it can be saved in the CRM? Are the e-commerce leads that your dealership gets having the proper outbound communication that goes beyond just an information exchange, actually makes a sale? Do you know the reports in your CRM and do you trust them to help you make decisions? Are your managers the actual experts on the CRM in your store? We train dealers at many levels to have the control of their CRM that produces real results since 2003.